So, continue. So, yan. And yung kinukuha mo for this moment. Pag negative, this manual computation tayo, yung top bar yung kinukuha natin. Then, kapag positive naman, the bottom bars naman yung ating kinukuha. Okay? So, yun. Ang ating MU is equal to 1536.35 and then times 10 raised to 6. Then equals 0.9. Kunin natin yung Rn. And then 49. Our B is 4917. And then D is 592.5. So for our D here, yan, top bar yon. Sorry, top bar. Yan. So for our top bar, yung D natin dito, yan. Ito yung D natin. D. Okay, top bar muna pala tayo. Okay. So, squared. Our Rn now is 0.989. Yan. 0.989. And then our rho, again, 0.85. Fc prime, Fy. Then 1 minus square root of 1 minus 2Rn divided by 0.85 Fc prime. Okay, then equals 0.85 Fc prime over Fy, then 1 minus square root of 1 minus 2Rn over 0.85 Fc prime. Sorry. Ulit ko lang. Okay, so Fc prime is 28 and then Fy is 276. And then 28 again, this one. And this one is 0.989. Then Fc prime is 28. And then, yeah. Okay. Then our rho is 0.00366. Again, rho mean usually 0.005 yan, no? Yan. Nagre-range siya 0.005 almost, no? Kapag yung Fy natin is 276, yung pinakamaliit, 0.005 na yan. 507. Okay, so Roman yung gagamitin natin. Okay. Okay. So AS now is equal to rho BD. So 0.00507, 4917, and then 592.5. Okay, so AS is 1477.545 millimeter squared. So using 25 mm bar, okay. So our N now is equal to AS over AB. So 1477.545 and then pi over 4 over 25 squared. Okay, so 30.090, say, let's say, or you use 31 pieces. Okay, so check natin yung maximum spacing, no? Baka sumobra naman. Okay, so S provided natin is 4917 our width minus 2 cc and then minus 1 of our diameter of rebar, then pieces minus 1, so this one is 158.067 mm. Ito yung spacing provided natin. And then yung S max natin, S max, no, yung 3H tsaka yung 450. So yung mas maliit dito sa dalawang to, yung 3H malabo na yan. So 3H multiplied by 680. So medyo mataas na yan. Ito pa rin yung mag-govern yung 450. Okay. So compare mo dito, yun yung S max natin. So okay tayo. So S is 158.067 less than 450 millimeter. Okay tayo dito. Okay, so therefore, use 31 pieces 25 mm diameter longitudinal bar. Okay, so this one is longitudinal top bar. Okay, top bar na to. Okay, space uniformly along long direction. Okay, so next, longitudinal bottom bar naman tayo. So ayan na yung sa top bar natin. Okay, so yung MU naman natin dito is equal to, so base dito, yung maximum MU is 267.505. 267.505. So again, VMNT, kunin mo na lang yan. Actually, same lang yung VMNT natin, 9,907. Yan na yun. Okay, wala namang pagbabago dyan. And then, yung MU natin, okay, is this one, okay, kilonewton meter. So, this one is greater than, again, no, our MU. To our MU. So, tension controlled again, no? Okay, controlled. So, we need to get raw from Rn. So, MU is equal to, yan, times 10 raised to 6. MU is equal to phi RNB. Our B is 4917, and then D squared is 592.5 squared. Okay, Rn now is equal to 0.172. Okay, so next row, for our row, 0.85, then row 0.85 FC prime. So FC prime is 28. Fy, actually, ang mababago lang dun sa equation natin na una is yung Rn. Okay, so copyin lang natin to. Copyin na lang natin yan. Tapos, yun natin dito. Okay, yung Rn na lang yung babaguhin natin dito. 0.172. So, from this equation, 0.006 63. Okay. So, raw minimum na naman na mag-govern dyan. 0.00507. So, use this also. Okay. So, again, AS natin is same with our AS dun sa top bar. Yung 14770. So, same lang, no? Same lang yung top bar natin. So, yan. Same na lang yan sa bottom bar. Then, as provided, also checking S-max or spacing. So, therefore, okay, hindi ko na itutuloy na. So, therefore, again, raw minimum naman yung nag-govern. So, yung ating bottom bar now is also 31 pieces. Okay, 31 pieces, 25 mm diameter, longitudinal bar. So, bottom bar naman to. Bottom bar. So, space uniformly along long direction. Okay, so yan. Ito na yung ating top bottom bar. Okay, now, so for step number 7, so So, design naman natin yung reinforcement sa transverse direction. Reinforcement. Okay, so i-draw ko muna siya. Yan. And then, so ito yung ating column. Again, so the distance, d over 2 distance. Then, for this one, yan, transverse column. Yan. Ito lang yung consider natin na main. Okay. Main bar muna. So, d over 2. And then, this one also is d over 2. Okay. So, effective depth. Sa effective depth naman, so, kanina, ang itsura niya, yan. So, nakuha na natin yung sa top bar. Yan, ganyan yun. Nasa bottom bar. Okay. Then, also, yung ating, yan, ito. Yan. Ganyan yung mangyayari dito. So, yung spacing dito sa d over 2 distance, so mas malalapit compared dun sa outer. And then, nasa taas, no? Nasa bottom bar natin yung longitudinal bar. Yan. Ito, bottom bar. Nasa baba pa ng mga transverse bar natin. Okay, so our d distance now, kung kukunin natin, so our d distance now here, pag ganyan yung itsura niya, cut ko na lang. The distance is, say this one is our longitudinal, then yun na lang. Okay, so yun. So again, the distance, yung h natin, bali plus ano to, or sorry, yung d natin dito, yan, yung d natin dito is equal to hc minus 75 minus 1.5 na tayo dito. dB. Okay, so kunin na natin. So, 860 minus 75 minus 1.5 of 25 millimeters. Okay? So, it is equal to 567.5 millimeter. Yan yung magiging D natin na gagamitin. Okay. So, first we need to get yung ating itong portion na to. Ayan. So, let's say this one is W1 and then this one is W2. So, let's say this one is W3, W4. Okay, so W1 muna. So, 400 yung size ng column plus yung kalahati ng ating D na gagamitin. 567.5 over 2. So, this one is 683.75 millimeters. And then, it is W2 naman, 500 yan, plus 567.5. So, 1,067.50. Then, yung W3. Yung W3 naman is, so, from this point, hanggang dito, this one is 3.55. So, 3.55 or 3,555 or 50 minus 567.5. So, minus ko lang yung 4 meters to, di ba? 4 meters. 900 minus minus 250 minus 200. So, minus 450 sa 4,000. Okay? 4,000 millimeter. So, 2,982.5 millimeters. And then, for W4, 7, this one is 724 minus D over 2, 567.5 over 2. Okay, 440.25 millimeters. Okay, So to get MU, okay, bye-bye mga MU niya mga yan. For, so let's say for W1, okay, so ganito yung itsura niya, okay, yan. Yan. So this one is 683.75, then this one is 4917. Tapos ito naman, yan, transverse yung ating kinukuha, so kailangan natin kunin yan. So 2.209 meters. Okay, so ito yung area of consideration natin to. So yung bending natin dito and along this one. Okay, so pag ganun siya, this direction, okay, yung bending natin. Okay, so for QU, QU now is okay, so ganyan yung itsura niya. Okay, yan, tapos yan. Okay, yung QU natin, dito na lang siya. Okay. QU, okay. 1, let's say 1. QU1 is equal to 1,800. Our 1,800, which is yung ating PU1. This one, PU1. Okay, 1,800 kilonewton. So 1,800 divided by this area, yung area na buo. Okay, so area natin dyan is 0.68375 times 4.917. Okay, so 535.396 kilopascal. So again, balikan lang sa pagkuha ng MU natin. So MU1 is equal to our intensity 535.396 kilopascal. Then multiply by 2 point. Okay, 2 point. Okay, so 2 point. Sorry, this one is 2.259. So 2.259 multiply by this one, area natin 2.68 375, and then okay, moment arm 2.259 divided by 2. Okay, this will be our MU. So our MU is equal to, MU1 is equal to 934.060 kilonewton meter. Okay, check if tension control. So phi MNT natin is 459. Yung B natin magbabago kasi dito eh. So yung B natin yan, ito yung magiging B natin. Okay, and then yung D magbabago din, so ito yung D natin. Okay, so 459 1,600.85. Okay, then FC prime, and then our B is 683.75, then multiply by D squared, 567.5 squared, multiply by 1 minus 3 over 16 beta 0.85. Okay, so this is equal to 1263.866 kilonewton meter. So this one compared to this one, so again, tension control. MU is less than VMNT. V is 0.9. So Rn, again, so Rn is equal to 0.9 times B, 683.75 BD squared. So divided by our MU, 934.06 times 10⁻⁶. Rn now is 4.713. Okay, so rho is equal to 0.85 FC prime. FC prime is 28,276 for our Fy. 1 minus square root of 1 minus 2. Rn is 4.713, and then 0.85, then multiply by 28 again. Our rho is 0.01922. Okay, rho mean is 0.00507. So use 0.01922 for our rho. Okay, so AS now is equal to 0.01922 multiplied by 683.75 multiplied by 567, or BD. Okay, 0.5. Okay, so this one will be 7457.901 millimeter squared. Okay, so for our end, simply AS divided by pi over 425 squared. Okay, ganun lang. Okay, so answer dito is 15.193. So say 16 pieces. And then for our S provided, okay, so S provided na nakuha is 39.75 millimeter. So yung S max natin is 450, so okay tayo dito. Okay, so therefore, okay, so use 16 pieces, 25 mm diameter transverse bar. Transverse bar, bottom bar, space uniformly at W1. Okay. So for W2, same lang din yung ating procedure. So you need to get QU, QU2, and then also yung ating phi MNT, yan, kung tension controlled, and then number of rebar na. Okay, so that is for our W2. Okay, so I will let you solve yung ating W2 na lang, or yung ating transverse bottom bar along or transverse bottom bar at W2. So yung answer dito, okay, yung answer dito bigay ko na lang. So yung answer is 21 pieces, 25 mm diameter transverse bar. Transverse bottom bar spaced at uniformly spaced, okay, at W2. So ayan, ganun lang itsura niya. Ayan. So ito. So yung D over 2, D over 2. So kunin mo lang tong W2, meron na tayo niyan. And then this one also, same lang din dun sa ating 2.209, I think, or 209. Yeah. Okay, so same lang yung process natin. And then now let's go to for temperature bar dun sa ating W3. Okay, so step 7 or 8. Okay, provide minimum amount of temperature reinforcement remaining part of the footing. So for W3, yung AS minimum natin temperature is 0.002 AG. So yan. So compute mo lang 0.002 multiplied by our B is 2982.50, and then our HC is 680. Okay. So your B here is yung W3 na na-compute natin kanina. So this one is the HC. Yan. Ganun lang siya simple. And then this one is 4,556.2 millimeter squared. So using a number of free bar, so AS over AB. Yan. So 21 pieces tayo. Then check. So S provided natin dito. Okay, so yun. So sa W3 tsaka sa W1, W2, W3 and 4, yung S provided natin dito will be wala siya ditong CC kasi nga yung W3 natin, draw natin ulit, nandito siya. Okay, so nandito yung point na yun. So wala tayong CC dito. So S provided mo lang dito is this one, yung 2.982.5. Yan, yung 2982.5 divided by yung N plus 1. Okay, so i-distribute mo lang dito yung 21 pieces. Okay, and then plus 1 for our spacing. So 21 plus 1. Okay, so 21 plus 1, yung S provided natin is 135.568 millimeters. Okay, so again 450 mag-govern na naman, so okay na naman tayo dito sa S natin. So therefore yung ilalagay mo dito 21 pieces naman. So therefore, so use 21 pieces, 16 mm diameter temp bar, spaced uniformly on center at W3. So ganun lang siya. 16 mm sabi dun sa temperature bar natin. Okay, so same with the W4, yung natitira, yung nandito naman sa part na to. Okay. So AS minimum din yan, yung 0.002. So yung ating B naman dito, yung B dito na natitira. Okay, so B here is W4. Okay, so yun yung gagamitin for your AS min. 0.002 B or W4 multiplied by HC. Okay, so answer for this one is 3 pieces naman. 3 pieces. Okay, na 16 mm. Okay, so yan. So yun yung answer natin for W4. And then checking LD, longitudinal or development length. So magiging dalawa yon. 4 longitudinal bars and then transverse bar. And then that's it. Okay, so yun lang naman yung kailangan i-check. And then draw na natin yung ating designed, okay, so designed combined footing. Okay, so ito. Okay. So, ayan. So, this one is our bottom bar. Okay, longitudinal bottom bar. And this one is our longitudinal top bar. So, ito yung ating W transverse bar, bottom bars at W1. So, ayan. Then this one, yan, meron din tayong dito yung W2 naman. Okay. So this one is our temperature bar. Okay. And then, yan. Nalagay din tayo ng temperature bar dito. Okay. So, yan. Bottom and top. So, same na lang din. Okay. For reversal of our moment. Okay, so yan. So ito muna. So 31 pieces, 25 mm, longitudinal top bar, space at uniformly on center. So wala namang distances. Okay, so for bottom bar, okay, so this one will be 31 pieces again. Okay, so 31 pieces. Also, same lang, no? Gawin mo lang bottom bar yan. Ayan. Then, for this one, ito. Ayan. 21 pieces. 16 mm. Okay. Temp top bar spaced at uniformly on center at W3. Okay, so mamaya natin na lalagyan ng dimensions. And then for our main bar, ito 16 pieces, 25 mm, transverse bar, bottom bars, spaced uniformly on center at W1. Then this one, okay, copy ko na lang din to. This will be 21 pieces naman to. And then W2 to. Tapos lastly, ito naman 3 pieces, 16 mm diameter, temp bar, temperature bar, spaced uniformly on center at W3. Okay, W1, sorry, so this one is W4, sorry, W4. Okay, so next yung dimension. Yan, lagay mo lang yung dimension natin dito. Yan, yan yung dimension natin dito. Okay, so this one is 683.75 millimeter. Tapos 1067.5. Then yung H chassis natin, ay hindi na kailangan yung D dito kasi construction na to. H chassis na 0.68. Then depth is 2.0. Yan, 0.4 4 meters. Then 0.55. Ano pa? And then also yung yan, itong ating length, no? 5.174. Okay, kapag sa plano naman, okay, so yun lang, no? Sa plan, okay, ilagay mo lang yung width mo. Okay, yung width mo dito na at 4.917. So sa plan B, okay. So, yun yung ating detail for our rectangular combined footing. So, thank you for listening.